right, so we are at Conestee Nature Preserve, and they've added this new playscape area.
It's very fun.
All right, show me around it.
So first, we have this place where you can just wander around and climb on. Look over here. Very fun. Follow us.
Look, a big turtle. They've got this cool chair tree. It's actually pretty comfy too, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, go show me around some other places in here.
I know exactly where to come from.
What's Daddy looking at?
Look at these animals. There's a little bear or bunny. There's a mama. Then we have this.
What is all this?
Maybe people that donated.
Ah.
I'm assuming.
Whoa, look at that. Come here. Oh, the floor. Look at that.
It's a little deer. There they are. Yep, so it's just a little building.
Yeah. Otherwise, we have a perfect. The fun places are coming up. The fun places are coming up, just like. And there's like this little mud spot, mud place. I didn't even know this was here.
It's right up your alley, ain't it? You can make a bunch of mud pies and.
Yes, I love making mud pies.
And since it's rained the past couple of days, it's like perfect. Don't get it all over you though.
Then come this way. Follow us. We had the perfect time. Through the log. What is this? It's a log. Up there.
All right, now Mama's gonna walk across.
So it's Mother's Day, so we came to this place to have very much fun.
So to have some fun and get outside, right?
Yeah. And we ate Zaxby's, and we had this whole entire like tray. It was like very nice.
Yeah, it was good.
So come up the stairs. Follow us. The fun part is not again. Then we can you can come down here. And then over here. This is getting to the fun parts. This place is cool.
It is really cool. I'm 36 years old and I enjoy it. I wish we had this in our backyard. That's what I wish. Y'all could play hide and seek and stuff in here.
Oh, scary.
Beaver's Lodge. Did y'all even notice the lizard?
Then there's a little play area and there's a bridge.
Let's go to the slide area now. You want to go over to the slide? Okay.
Maybe Pecans is this way?
Oh, God. Oh, time to get up.
Now I'm coming up.
Now they're embarrassed a little bit.
I'm gonna do it. My head. I made it to the top. Go back up. Mama.
What the heck was that?
Is this water?
Yes, it's water.
This place is pretty neat, ain't it? What do you think about it?
I love it.
You
But I
love
wish
it.
we had it in our backyard. Let's go ahead and go see.
Yeah, me
Give
too.
us 10 seconds and come find us. Somewhere on this platform, that platform, and that platform. Okay. Turn around.
Can I be anywhere?
Yeah. Okay. Turn around. Turn around.
I'm finding y'all.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I gotta go find them. Let's see where they went. They must have went all the way over here to the other side. All right, I'm still looking for them. Have not found them yet.
You want me to show you around?
Where are they? I wonder where they're at. I found them. There they are. What are y'all doing?
You found us.
I found y'all. All right. So overall, this place is really neat. They've just
Look at
built
that.
little places all over the place. They got this one little area that's still under construction that they're still working on. Overall, it's a pretty cool little place.
It's hot out here.
It's hot. It's actually a really nice day. It was actually cold when we were sitting there eating.
I was gonna break my leg.
Chloe found a frog. What do you got? All right, well, he's giving her a piggyback ride. All right, take me to the rocks and stuff.
I got it.
Oh, Mason's out. He fell off.
Oh, yes, speed run back.
Don't fall, though.
I'm not out yet. And now let's just take this. I made it.
Really?
Here, wait. I'm straddling it. Can you scooch over? I'm coming up. Oh, nasty. Then come, scoot over more. This is where I fell. Okay, Jackson's on. Oh, we have one last place that we haven't showed y'all, and it's a fort. It's very cool. So follow us. You get to build. You get to build stuff also. Hey, look. This is a bird nest, as it tells you right here.
That's a bird nest?
Or it just says nest building.
Nest buildings.
This is
Nest
for y'all.
building.
This
It
is
says
you
nest
put it.
building.
Y'all
It
put
says
this.
nest building. Nest building.
And I put this in.
Me too. I'm gonna put stuff.
They
in
put that stick in. This is the fun part.
that and we found this place that we might build up and get it all together. And not put it as spectacular as we thought it would be because they were working hard and it didn't come out really good. Oh no, I found Meet Granny size. Look at Meet Granny size down here.
You better go home, kids.
Mama. Ooh, I'm a small granny. Okay, now I grew up. Now big granny.
Yeah, this is the play. This is a play area. It's pretty fun. So we're leaving the play area to go walk the trails now.
Because we finished the whole entire play area.
Yeah.
We showed you every single thing of it. We showed you under the little ponds and all that.
The last time we came here, we saw snakes, fish, and turtles.
Baby turtles too. We saw a lizard too. A lizard. It was changing color.
Okay.
So we'll put it back on if we see any of those. Because last time we saw a bunch of them.
I just fell right there because I jumped and then like slipped. So now I gotta wash off my hands. And I feel that.
He might fall in the water and not fair he gets to swim.
You got to be in the water.
If I do fall, you better give me a camera. That's kind of deep right there. Hopefully I don't put my hands in the water and a turtle. Snap a turtle.
Just like rinse it off.
Well, next time we need to get it on camera if I fall.
Whenever we
Look at that turtle. Hurry, look. It's right there. See it? You see it?
Yeah.
I remember we was over there one time. We would have went the other way and we would have been like a little path over there. We looked over here and we saw a ginormous turtle.
I don't know what that is. Yeah. Making that noise.
Looks like we're at the beach or something like that.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Probably
Well, Mother Nature is going to end our Mother's Day walk. It's
It
starting,
had to happen.
it's starting to rain on us.
We're heading back.
So we're
But
heading
the
back
good
down the
thing is
trail.
I'm thirsty, so I can just drink the rain.
You're going to drink the rain.
Uh-huh. What's in it? Water. Ice. I can't really get none because trees are above us. Imagine if we owned the beach. That would be nice. Then we can just drive there anytime. I wish we lived on the beach. Honestly, not have on our dirt bikes. Look at it, it's going back.
So we just found all these ants sleeping. It's a whole bunch. I'm gonna slap the tree and see if they move. Okay,
No,
ready?
just leave them alone.
Camera.
All right, that's it.
Yeah, we just came back out. It started raining. And down there we were walking and tried to see if we could find turtles, snakes, and fish, but it was closed off because Hurricane Helene had damage to the little bridge.
Yeah, we really wanted to go see it because Mama wanted to go see it.
Yep.
So we went to go see it and it was broke down. So we just came back to our cars right over there. at
Yep.
Tahoe.
Because it's raining.
You got a coin?